Tim and Eric. 73 Dodge truck versus the first gen Monte Carlo.
By C-Class category. C-Class category to the staging lanes, please. C-Class category to the staging lanes, please. Side, that's Jim Walliser out of Harrisburg, Ohio. The 72 Dodge step side pickup
72 Dodge. Good job, nice race.